Hello, and welcome to this inspirational exercise about training and success. I'm here to share how physical exercise not only strengthens your body, but also improves your mood and increases your chances of success in all areas of your life. Get comfortable, and let's begin. The importance of physical exercise. A physical exercise is a key component in maintaining both physical and mental health. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, also known as happy hormones. These chemicals help reduce stress, improve mood, and create a sense of well-being. The connection between exercise and positivity. And when you feel good, it's easier to stay positive and focused. Exercise helps you face challenges with a more optimistic attitude. This positive mindset is essential to achieving success, whether it's in your career, your personal goals, or relationships. Training and productivity. A regular physical activity increases energy levels and improves concentration. This means you become more productive in your everyday life. You can tackle work tasks more efficiently and get more done in less time. Exercise also gives you better sleep quality, which further improves your daily performance. Training as part of your success strategy. Integrate exercise into your daily routine as part of your success strategy. Set realistic exercise goals and work steadily towards them. It could be a short morning jog, a strength training session after work, or a yoga session to calm your mind. Visualization of training success. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and breathe out. Visualize yourself in your best self, where you are physically strong, energetic, and full of confidence. Visualize how this positive energy spills over into all areas of your life, from the workplace to personal projects. How exercise gives confidence. Every workout you complete builds your confidence. That sense of accomplishment when you reach your fitness goals strengthens your belief in yourself and your abilities. This increased confidence drives you to take on new challenges and aim higher in all aspects of life. Positive influence on your surroundings. Your positive outlook and energy also affect those around you. You become an inspiration to friends, family, and colleagues. Your enthusiasm and drive can motivate others to follow suit and make positive changes in their own lives. Remember, physical exercise is not only for the body, it is also for the mind and soul. It improves mood, increases energy, and leads to greater success. Take the first step today and make exercise an indispensable part of your daily routine. You'll find that with each workout, you get a little stronger, a little happier, and a little more successful. So get out there, move your body, and see how physical exercise can transform your life. Thank you for listening, and remember to always strive for your best self. Your success starts with your willingness to move forward.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on meditation and personal growth.